On Capitol Hill, time is quickly running out for Congress to prevent Obamacare premiums from soaring in 2026. And it looks likely that lawmakers will end the year without extending those tax credits. Caitlin Huey-Burns is covering the debate, which will have a big impact on many low and middle income families.
With just 2 weeks to go before health care premiums are set to rise for roughly 20 million Americans, House Republicans passed their own health care proposal last night. The legislation would expand small business access to health plans and help lower drug costs, but it does not extend the Affordable Care Act subsidies set to expire at the end of the year.
Under no circumstances should we leave this Capitol this week before voting on an extension of the Affordable Care Act tax credit bill.
That exclusion spurred a revolt from 4 Republican lawmakers representing battleground districts who joined a Democratic-led effort to force a vote on the issue to the House floor.
We did everything in our power to try to protect these people that need help.
The proposal would continue the Obamacare tax credits for another 3 years, something Republican leadership opposes.
Their response right now is to subsidize and continue to shovel taxpayer dollars onto a broken system. We say enough is enough.
In the meantime, those relying on these subsidies are left in limbo. An analysis from health policy group KFF estimates they will see their monthly premiums more than double, with an average increase of 114%.
I am pissed for the American people. This is absolute bull.
New York Congressman Mike Lawler, angered by the lack of action, is one of those 4 Republicans now pushing for a floor vote on the extension.
And the likelihood that anything will pass into law by the end of the year is...
Look, it's difficult to get it done before the end of the year unless we get a vote within the next 24 hours. But I do have hope that this will be able to get across the finish line.
Now, Vlad, at the risk of sounding a little bit like the Grinch, that vote is not going to happen this year. House Speaker Mike Johnson said last night that due to rules in the House, they won't take this up until January. And it's unclear whether the Senate will also take it up at this point. So as it stands now, the tax credits will lapse and costs will go up, Vlad.
Oh, boy. All right. Caitlin Huey-Burns for us on the Hill. Thank you very much.